Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be rehandling my childhood blacksmithing hammer. Alright, to aid in our guillotining process, we're going to use a very old hacksaw blade. So that way if I run up against the metal on the hammer, I won't dole up a new blade. But we're just going to try and get in this. I mounted this very crooked, so there's a gap right around here. I'm going to get in there and saw the wood off. Alright, we got about halfway through there, so I feel like we can probably break this off. Let's see. Yep, there you go. So this is the hammer that I handled in my last video. Good video too, you should watch it. Gotta get the views. Well, after much pounding, the core out, the eye free. So now we're going to get to work on the handle. Alright, so I'm done with all the rough hatcheting. I just took off a lot of material, and now I'm going to come in with the knife and smooth this handle bit up, and then we'll move to the part that connects to the head. Alright, so I came in with the knife, smoothed everything out, still a little rough, so I'm going to get a bit of sandpaper and smooth that out. Alright, so now we have that sanded, so we're going to start working here, thinning it down and fitting it to the head of the hammer. Alright, so I took my knife and I came in and carved this down. And now I have my hammer. This, I'm gonna line up that head, make sure that it's pretty parallel. So I have here, this is what I'm using as a mallet. What I'm gonna do is just tap this in. Alright. Check to see that it's kind of straight. Give it a feel. Feels good. So now I'm gonna break that out. And we're gonna see left a smear of paint and grease. And here we're gonna come in and narrow this down so it fits completely in. But that gives us a mark to work towards. Alright guys, so I came in here and I whittled this down to fit the hammer head all the way through. Again, just by tapping it in, seeing where I needed to remove material, and then carving that. So we're seeing we have pretty good contact with this like paint. So that means a lot of the wood is touching the hammer at all times, which is good for holding it. So I'm going to take my saw. This thing really should have a more aggressive teeth, and its kerf is very small. Because, you know, it's a metalworking saw. But I'm just going to saw a little split right here for when we wedge this thing up, it has somewhere to go. That should be okay. Probably saw it more off camera and then tap it in.